Are you ready for the Battle of the Brooms? Today, on the left, we have the WTI Floor Squeegee Broom. And on the right, we have the Kelamayi's Broom and Dustpan Set. Each of these lightweight floor cleaning helpers are wonderful, but today we're going to see how they square up. First, the WTI Floor Squeegee Broom. This is the undisputed champion in floor cleanliness. With its ergonomic design and mighty silicone squeegee head, you are equipped with superhero strength to tidy up all the smooth and even surfaces in your house. Say goodbye to stubborn messes and hello to a pristine and tidy home with this champ. But wait, here comes its fierce competitor, the Kelamayi's Broom and Dustpan Set, a dynamic duo that means serious cleaning business. This dust-busting tag team knows how to tackle any dirty floor in your home with finesse. Plus, the dustpan's clever design makes sure nothing escapes its clutches. So it's decision time, folks. Will you reach for the WTI Floor Squeegee Broom? Or will it be the Kelamayi's Broom and Dustpan Set? The choice is all yours. But remember, with either option, you'll be a real winner in the Clean Floor Sweepstakes.